Take a look at this beauty. 1969 Chevrolet Camaro SS. Yes, this is a true SS 350 X55 code on the data tag. So what originally came with a 350 engine that's paired with an automatic transmission and also power steering, power brakes, and it wasn't a factory AC car, although not all the AC components are under the hood at this time. So you'd have to check out the still pictures. You want to check out the still pictures. They can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. You'll see the data tag, and then you also see the VIN derivative that we found stamped into the engine. So you can also tell that this is truly a numbers matching Chevy SS Camaro. As well as the numbers matching, this is a 72 code paint. So 7272 on that data tag means it was Hugger orange top to bottom, which obviously it is still dressed in Hugger orange paint. Riding on Boyd Connington wheels, front disc brakes. Would have came with the standard black upholstery with buckets in the center console. As you can see, now it's had the white and black houndstooth redone in there. Beautiful look to this car. See the gauge cluster, horseshoe shifter. We'll get around the other side so we won't get quite as much glare from the sun. Feel free to give us a call too if you'd like to inquire in this car, have any questions about it. I'd like to inquire about transportation to where you're located at. We can be reached at 507-386-1726. And once again, check out the still pictures. You can see the underside, interior trunk. This car is done nicely, top to bottom. The pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. We'll slip around. Let's check out the interior. Paint in this, I would say, is in very nice condition. You'll find a few blemishes or flaws here and there, but not very many at all. As you can see, it's got a nice luster to it. Not a lot of chips, not a lot of scratches. This car shows very, very well. Let's go ahead and check out the interior. Door cards all look good. Like I said, the upholstery's all been redone in it. With the houndstooth black and white. We're going to go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run also. Check her out a little closer here. The test, sorry about that glare. There we go, a little bit better. Tachometer does work in it. See, here was the original AC control. Like I said, there's some components underneath the hood, but not all of them. Odometer, what does it show? About 28,864. Again, the car's been redone. Can't confirm or deny that the actual miles or not. Has had a different stereo system added to it. A little later model, more of a modern one, and it does power up and works and everything. Must have a hands-free too, because there's a little mic, and where you see that green underneath the dash, there's a little like microphone and what have you underneath there also. Horseshoe shifter, the automatic transmission. Again, sorry about the glare. Sun's starting to come out a little bit today. So you have the inside. As you can hear, the engine runs smoothly. Check out the headliner. Everything's good there. Down nicely, that door closes how it fits. Slip around to the back of it here. Nothing crazy as far as exhaust or big cam or anything like that. I'm going to slip around to the front too and just pause this a second so we can pop that hood and just take a quick look at the engine bay. Alright, here you go. Pop the hood. You see power brakes there, power steering. Show you that data tag going underneath here. Code 7272 in the paint. What's left of the AC. The bonus back there doesn't have a compressor up front. Just wanted to give you an idea what it was like underneath there. And also you can hear how smoothly that runs. Very cool car. So there you have it. 1969 Chevrolet Camaro SS 350 in Hugger orange. Check out all the still pictures one last time. uniqueclassiccars.com, or feel free to give us a call. 507-386 1726.